Our Tlusty leather travel bags are handmade in the classic weekender style. They make for a functional, strong and classic travel companion. They come in 3 different sizes. The small is about 39 litres, the medium 42 litres and the large is huge at 50 litres. Now, not all travel bags are the same and you simply won't find anything like one of our leather travel bags in any store. This is because the quality is far superior and we build them to last a lifetime. We don't want you to buy multiple bags, we want you to have one of the best. Now, firstly, the leather we use is our classic Tlusty vegetable tanned Italian leather because it is durable and will continue to look great year after year. The leather is firm, thick and strong, and as soon as you touch it, you can really feel the difference. The handles are all leather and fully stitched all the way around. They feel really firm and strong to hold and they're really comfortable. Now, they're attached to the bag with brass rivets and they also have some brass fittings as well that are strong, secure and look great. We use a Swiss Riri zipper along the top of the bag from one end to the other, and this zipper is held in place very securely by more leather and 4 rivets at each end, so it is super strong. There's also a clasp at both ends, so when you lock it down, it gives it that classic travel bag shape, and it also makes it a little bit more compact if it isn't so full. Now, the corners underneath are all reinforced with extra leather for more durability and more strength. Now, on the bottom of the bag, we have 5 studs, which protects the bag and keeps it looking fantastic. It also makes it wear a lot longer. The inside of the travel bag looks just as great as the outside because we've fully lined it with a really soft and strong microfiber. There's one large compartment, and there's also a pocket on each side inside, one with a zipper and one without. Both pockets are about 20 centimetres in length and about 17 centimetres wide. The travel bag comes with a really convenient leather shoulder strap. It uses the same leather that we use on the outside of the bag. It has 3 rivets at either end for strength and solid brass fittings as well. The strap comes with a buckle that's stainless steel so you can adjust it for that perfect fit. Like all Tlusty leather goods, our travel bags are made only for you. Nothing is ever mass produced because our customers choose exactly how they want their bag to look. With our travel bags, you can select the colour of the leather on the outside, you can select the colour of the microfiber lining inside, and the colour of the stitching that we use all the way around the bag. We love to emboss our travel bags with a monogram name or even a logo, and this makes the bag really personal and it's a beautiful touch rarely found on leather goods these days. Once we finish hand making your travel bag here in our Prague workshop, we'll pack it really carefully and ship it to you anywhere in the world. Because our bags are made of such a high quality, we are happy and confident to have a lifetime warranty on the leather and all the fittings as well. For a travel companion that will last and look amazing, you can start designing your travel bag online at Tlusty&Co.com.